by opening the fuel door. A capless gas tank has a spring-loaded door with an O-ring that stops gasoline and vapors from escaping the fuel tank. To add fuel to the fuel tank in emergency situations, your vehicle is equipped with a fuel tank filler tube. This may be found with a spare tire or behind a panel in the rear of your vehicle. In this vehicle, the fuel tank filler tube is located with the spare tire and jack stand and jack. There is a notch on the filler neck and the filler tube where the filler tube will slide into place into the filler neck. Slide the filler tube into the filler neck. Most vehicles will show you where the filler tube is and how to use it on the inside of the fuel door. Here's an example on a different vehicle. Now that the filler tube is inserted into the filler neck, you can start adding fuel to your fuel tank. Once you are finished adding fuel to your vehicle, you can remove the fuel tank filler tube, clean it off and put it back in its compartment, then close the fuel tank door. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more bi-weekly videos. Check the description for more information.